Chebet Birir, KTN News, Nairobi.
The Environment Cabinet Secretary Eden Duale says there is need to consider cooling alternatives that have low warming potential and are energy efficient in the country. According to Duale, the move is aimed at reducing global warming in accordance with the Montreal Protocol. Noel Nabiswa with more.
As the world marks Ozone Day, the Cabinet Secretary for Environment, Climate Change and Forestry has announced that the ministry is working to comply with the phase-out of hydrofluorocarbons, aiming to achieve a 67.25% reduction by 2025.
The impacts of climate change are already being felt, particularly here in Africa, where extreme weather events, droughts and floods are threatening the livelihoods and the food security. As such, our work under the Montreal Protocol is far from over. We must continue to strengthen our commitments, invest in our technologies, and foster partnerships that accelerate climate action at every level.
The public has been urged to take personal responsibility in conserving the environment as part of efforts to mitigate factors contributing to pollution.
Is as the citizens of this city and also Kenyans. PS, what I've realized, most companies operating within Nairobi, they contribute a lot to air pollution, which affects the ozone layer. And as a county government, I want to assure you, we are going to enforce compliance.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health has begun training master trainers who will prepare county health facility teams for the rollout of the Social Health Authority Health Portal scheduled for October 1st, 2024.
As you go out to train, don't do a lot of talking, but do a lot of listening. Because the end users know. They know the gaps, they know the challenges. Some of them have interacted with KNEMR, HMIS, and other platforms. So they know these systems. Give them an ear, because gradually, from those end user feedback, we'll be able to gradually improve the tool and have an effective tool. So you are our champions, you are our soldiers. As you go down, please gather as much information as possible and know that you are in a mission to support Kenyans.
Elsewhere, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration has been tasked with coordinating government agencies to ensure the swift completion of development projects.
When a project like this comes, you must embrace it. Mradi kama huu kikuja, ujue ya kwamba hii barabara haijengwi mbali, inajengwa hapa. Faida ni sisi tutapata.
And we go to our big key tonight, where we ask, with the Adani JKIA deal in limbo, should the government engage further with the Indian company on the power line project? These are some of your views, and I go straight now. Edwin from Vihiga County says President William Ruto should tell us if he wants to sell the country. Clearly, he's saying, no, we should not engage with the Adani group. And now we also have, I don't agree with Adani. Ama Kenya yuzwe kila mtu apewe share yake. That is Vincent from Nairobi. And I have no idea of what Adani is all about. So I say, let the government do what they think is right for the country. That is Collins Amunga from Madare. Continue sharing your views on 22151. Also tag us on our social media pages at X at Dennis Assetto, at KTN News KE. We will continue to sample some of your views within these bulletins. Government.